guys, I think I found the next project for the channel. Let's go and see it, and we figure out is it a good one or it's not. Let's see you over there. See what's gonna be the next project. Let's see what you guys think. Yes. We come with the dolly. Coming prepared. So taking home. There she is. We come to the Honda world now, boys. There she is, guys. We made it last night. This is the new project for the channel. It's a 1995 Civic hatchback. Already got exhaust on it. It's missing the back seat, but not a big deal. This is gonna be the new project. Inside, it's nothing is missing the engine and transmission, but he already got coilovers. I think he have 2 1/4 exhaust all the way to the back with the muffler. Interiors looks pretty good. Complete dash. It's a stitch it. He got SI seats. And the back, he got everything except the back seat. We got it yesterday. So this is gonna be the new project for the channel. I think we're gonna use the F23A engine on it. Probably we're making turbocharged or something cool. But after we finish with this is gonna be for sale, guys. Somebody interested, shoot me in the comments area. But it's gonna be for sale, and you guys gonna see the whole project. It's gonna be on the channel.